Crumbling Empire by Sam Fender is played in standard tuning and without a capo. And we're going to start off with this A+2 chord. We have open A string, second finger, second fret of the D, third finger, second fret of the G, open B, open high E strings. And we're going to play a picking pattern throughout the entire song here for the first guitar part. And we're going to have quite a heavy palm mute on this as well. So we're going to rest the palm, the right hand palm, the side of the palm I should say, on the guitar strings here quite heavily while we're picking the notes. We're actually going to pick A, D, B to start with. We're then going to pick up on G, D and B. So A, D, B, G, D, B. We'll then pick G, D, G, B, G. G, D, G, B, G. So slowly, A, D, B, G, D, B, G, D, G, B, G. And we're going to play this twice. Then we're going to move to our second chord in the song, which is really simple. We just add the first finger to the second fret of the low E string, and this is going to be our new bass note. So the picking pattern is exactly the same, only we start on the E string, moving up to the D, B, G, D, B, G, D, G, B, G. So exactly the same other than the first note. And more up to speed. Then we go to our third chord in the song, which is really simple. We just take the first finger off the low E string at the second fret and go to the open E string, and the rest of the picking is exactly the same. And the final chord in the song is slightly different with the picking because we're going to take this second finger off to go to the open D string to start, and we'll pick D, G, B, G, D, B. And then we got that kind of ending pickings exactly the same. G, D, G, B, G. So D, G, B, G, D, B, G, D, G, B, G. So the whole thing slowly starting off on the A+2 chord. A sharp. Open E. Open D. And more up to speed.